Hello everyone, welcome to the A to Z of It's me, Miguel, and I'm going to cook for you the most delicious peri-peri chicken in the world. Now, what is peri-peri? Peri-peri is pretty much how you say in Swahili, this really hot bird's eye chili. And this is the main ingredient in the whole marinade. Okay, so lots of chilies, take the seeds away so it's not so spicy. Paprika, lots of this stuff. Oregano to make it like a real peri-peri. And after we're gonna use lots of citrus, lime juice, lemon juice. You make sure you roll it before you cut it in half. And now check this out. Yeah! OMG! Basil, you need oregano and basil to be a peri-peri marinade. Okay, now it's time for that lovely extra virgin olive oil. And now garlic, lots of garlic. Just a quick crush before going there. And just whack it in there. Just get into it. You need to hear that grinding noise. You're gonna mash it until it becomes almost like a pesto consistency. You know, this is gonna take as long as the guns can handle it. This is like nice hard work and something that make you feel proud of the end result. And let's just look $1 million. Look at that. Okay, so this is a butterfly chicken. You can get your butcher to do this for you. Now, you use a knife to do scoring. So these big incisions are gonna get the marinade right deep inside, and they're gonna cut the time of cooking in the barbecue to nearly half time. Get the marinade on top. And now it's all touchy-feely. Make sure you get all the marinade nice and deep. Now this is time for the magic to happen. Okay, so we put it in the carcass of the chicken, because that's the strong part where all the bones are. And that's where the heat is gonna be pounding and pounding for the next 25-30 minutes. You put it in the other side, we're gonna dry out the chicken right away. Now, a perfect garnish for the chicken is lovely corn. So what I've done is just parboil it 10 minutes. I'm gonna brush it with olive oil, and I'm gonna season it with a lot of salt. That's important. Some salt in that chicken as well. The time for that corn to cook is gonna be perfect timing for us to make our chipotle mayo. So using your mayonnaise, very simple from the supermarket, and your lovely chipotle chiles. Mix it together, and that's it. Easy job. So the corn looks ready. Now we're gonna brush it with the lovely mayo that we have done. We're gonna get a couple of manchego blocks, grate them really, really fine, put them on a tray, and check this out. Stop it! This is absolutely amazing. This is, for me, the perfect garnish for a barbecue. So after the corn is ready, all is left to do is get the chicken and put it on the board. Oh, peri-peri chicken! So I'm just gonna use the knife like a cleaver and just push with your hand. Cut through like that in half. You got the leg, the drumstick, go hard. Don't be shy, look at that. And now with the corn, the same thing. Put them everywhere, scatter them around. Oh, this is a fantastic recipe that put a smile in your face. My beautiful peri-peri barbecue chicken. If you want plenty more of these recipes, check the A to Z of in our Stockland website.